If you don't have much time to do a vocal warm-up, then you can do this quick vocal warm-up with me. My name's Kalena from Voice Savvy, coming right back at you with another video. So with this vocal warm-up, we're going to be warming up chest voice, head voice, mixed voice, and we're going to be doing semi-occluded vocal tract exercise, which will really help to just warm your voice up with ease. So let's do this warm-up together.
Starting out with our lip trills. Going from a comfortable low note to a comfortable high note. There are no scales in this warm-up. Only going where it feels comfortable with your voice. Now we're adding in vowels that are going to encourage more chest voice resonance. Make sure that you're really engaging with your lower voice for this one. The lip trill is keeping the voice nice and relaxed as you do this exercise. Using vowels that are going to encourage more head voice resonance to come into play now. Really engage head voice resonance. Using the lip trill to keep the voice nice and relaxed as you do the exercise. Just changing the vowel a little, still encouraging head voice resonance. So we're now starting to just bring a little bit of that bratty sound into this now. This edge exercise is really just going to help with vocal cord closure. It's going to help to make the voice a little less breathy. Okay, getting into our bratty sounds that are really just going to help to strengthen mixed voice and really warm up your mixed voice. You have to get a little bit silly with this in order to really get into the sound. Good. And we're almost done.
That's it for the vocal warm-up. I hope you liked it. Leave comments below and let me know how you get on. But you can do this anywhere. You can do it on the bus, you can do it on the train, you can do it walking down the street. Doing something is better than doing nothing. But if you're new to this channel, then subscribe, like, and share these videos with anyone you feel is going to find them beneficial. And if you like these kind of workouts, then you can find more on my app, which is available on the App Store and Google Play. I'll leave a link below. And yeah, that is pretty much it from me. And I will see you again soon. Mwah. Peace out.